Good evening, everyone! Tonight, ang dinner namin dito sa Charm Residences ay nag-order kami ng Mama Angel's Pizza all the way from Pasig sa Greenwoods. So, umorder kami, oh by the way, it took about less than 20 minutes ng Lalamove delivery and I paid 140 pesos lang sa delivery. So, dalawang 12 inches pizza in order ko. Let's see. Special request to kasi half-half. Let's open the first box. Wow! Kita nyo naman. Sarap, no? This is the creamy spinach. And this is the
white cheese bacon.
White cheese bacon. And open the next box. Wow! Kita nyo naman. Napaka-special. Tama yung aking pag-order kay Mama Angel's Pizza from Greenwoods Executive Village. So, by the way, this is Supreme Pizza. And this is all meat deluxe. Okay? So, bon appetit! By the way, may kasamang hot sauce yan, ha? Homemade daw yan, sabi. Okay? Pwede bang magkamay? Wow! Sabi ni Mama Angels ay 100% ito na mozzarella cheese ang gamit. Ay, sarap, grabe.
Sayang cheese kasi na elastic.